The WFH Revolution: Mastering the Art of Working from Home. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that has become incredibly relevant in our lives. Work from home, WFH. Whether you've been doing it for years or are just getting acquainted with this concept, understanding what it means and how to excel at it can make a big difference in your professional and personal life. So, let's explore the ins and outs of WFH together. The phrase, work from home, WFH, refers to the practice of employees completing their job duties from the comfort of their own homes, rather than in a traditional office environment. This arrangement became especially popular worldwide due to circumstances that required people to stay indoors, such as public health concerns. WFH allows for flexibility and, in many cases, improved work-life balance. Working from home offers numerous advantages. Firstly, it eliminates the need for commuting, saving time and reducing stress. Secondly, employees often have the flexibility to create a work schedule that fits their lifestyle, enhancing productivity and personal satisfaction. Additionally, WFH can lead to a better work-life balance, allowing individuals to spend more time with family or pursue hobbies. While WFH has its perks, it also comes with challenges. Isolation, distractions, and maintaining a routine can be difficult. To combat these, it's crucial to set up a dedicated workspace, establish clear work hours, and stay connected with colleagues through digital tools. Remember, overcoming these obstacles is key to maximizing the benefits of WFH. To thrive while working from home, consider these tips. Create a comfortable workspace. Your environment should inspire productivity. Stick to a routine. Just like in an office, start and end your day at the same time. Take regular breaks. Short breaks can boost concentration and creativity. Stay connected. Use video calls and messaging apps to maintain team cohesion. We hope this exploration of the work-from-home concept has been enlightening and empowering. As the world evolves, so does the way we work, and mastering the art of WFH is becoming increasingly important. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to this mode of work, remember that success lies in balancing discipline with flexibility. Thanks for watching, and here's to making the most of your WFH experience.